Prose 8. Matilda is a prodigy. From Matilda. Author Roald Dahl. He was a British novelist and was a famous children's author born in the UK. He was also a fighter pilot during World War II, a chocolate historian and an inventor. His years in a boarding school gave him the inspiration for Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. This is the name of his another book, like Matilda. His stories have been made into movies, including Matilda. Children, now all of you please take out your English literature book, page number 102. Children, but before I start this lesson, I would like to do this exercise. Children, can anyone guess why they have given such type of questions to you all? Yes, very good. Because in this lesson, we will meet with a child named Matilda who has special power. So here all of you see the question. If you could have any special power, what would you wish for? So if you get a chance to get a special power, then what you will wish for and what will be the reason why? So you have to write about it in 1 or 2 sentences. So this one will be your home task, because you have to think what is your wish and why that wish has come to you. Children, let me help you out. Let me say you my wish. Okay. I would wish for the power to fly. Why? Because with that power, special power, I would be able to go anywhere I want within a no time. So children, you will also complete this task, okay? And you have to write your wish within 1 or 2 sentences with the reasons. So all of you will do it, okay? So this one will be your home task. Matilda is a very clever girl who taught herself to read at the age of 4. Let us now see what happens on her first day at school in Miss Honey's class.
Matilda is a prodigy. It was Matilda's first day in Miss Honey's class. After the usual business of going through all the names of the children, Miss Honey handed out a brand new exercise book to each student.
I,
Miss Honey said,
want to help you to learn as much as possible while you are in this class. That is because I know it will make things easier for you later on. For example, by the end of this week, I shall expect every one of you to know the 2 times table by heart. And in a year's time, I hope you will know all the multiplication tables up to 12. Could you tell me that?
I think so, yes.
Matilda said.
What is it then? 2 times 487.
974.
Matilda said immediately. She spoke quietly and politely, and without any sign of showing off. Miss Honey gazed at Matilda with absolute amazement. But when next she spoke, she kept voice level.
That is really splendid,
she said.
But of course, multiplying by 2 is a lot easier than some of the bigger numbers. What about the other multiplication tables? Do you know any of those?
I think so, Miss Honey. I think I do